Hello and welcome to ProjectWork. I will tell you how to use the clipboard for copying tasks and how to use a schedule as a template. We start with a schedule of 2 products, with 3 activities each. 2 new products C and D need the same activities as product A. We copy the activities to the clipboard where they are kept for 1 hour, using the context menu. We then paste them from the clipboard under products C and D. Dependencies outside the copied tasks are removed, inside dependencies are kept. A useful feature is pasting the clipboard in any schedule where you have access to. When you cut tasks, they are deleted and kept on the clipboard for 1 hour. When you paste them back, dependencies outside the cut tasks are restored, unlike copied tasks. You can paste cut tasks only once and not in another schedule, unlike copied tasks. The paste options give you control on what you paste from the clipboard. Some options are valid for tasks and resources, some are only valid for tasks. Advanced options for rollout type of projects allow you to repeat the tasks on the clipboard several times or multiply their duration when you paste. You can memorize clipboards to be used later. We first copy product A and its activities to the clipboard. The clipboard is visible in the pop-up dialog, opened from the Tasks menu. Here you can save the clipboard tasks into the schedule file. The same can be done for product B. The order of the saved tasks can be arranged by dragging them. Copying expanded saved tasks to the clipboard gives the possibility to paste them into the schedule. Before pasting, we modify the durations with a factor of 2 in the Paste Options dialog. In the Gantt chart, you can see the extended duration. A ProjectWork schedule can function as a template file by making a copy of it. There are options on what you want to copy. One of the options is to copy the saved clipboards, giving the new schedule built-in building blocks to paste. Thank you for watching this demo video. You can install ProjectWork in the Google Workspace Marketplace.